Good morning, everybody. Today's Wednesday, September 17th of 2025, and it's an absolutely gorgeous morning here in Blairsville, Georgia this morning. 63 degrees, blue skies, and sunshine, so it's a gorgeous morning. Right now, I'm heading down to the Springer Mountain Trailhead parking. We just had a call from someone that started at Amicalola Falls, and they need to go back to their vehicle. They are hiking with their dog, and I guess the dog has an injury and it's having a hard time, so they gave us a call and going out that way to get them back to Amicalola. All right, that's where I'm heading at the moment. I'll be back in a little bit. All right, so I made my way across Skinny Gap Road, and I'm getting ready to get onto Doublehead Gap Road as I make my way over to the Springer Mountain Trailhead parking and meet the rider there and get them back to their vehicle at Amicalola Falls. All right, it's a gorgeous morning out here, really beautiful, and I'm really enjoying the drive. It is really starting to feel and look like fall. All right, so right here is where I'm going to turn onto Doublehead Gap Road and continue my way out to Springer Mountain. I'm down here at Amicalola Falls in the long-term parking area. Picked up the rider and his dog at Springer Mountain and got him back to his vehicle. He was planning on a longer hike, but his dog did something to her leg and she's kind of limping, so he wanted to take her off the trail and get her back here. So anyways, getting ready to take off out of here. Just going to turn around. Heading back to Blairsville and more stuff for the day. 72 degrees, blue skies and sunshine here at Amicalola Falls.